Hey guys, I just wanted to give a quick update here and post a video on these coilovers that I got from Fiero Guru Performance LLC. You can just Google that name and you'll see what I'm talking about. But I just want to go over a quick couple of differences between the factory and the Guru coilover kit. Of course, this is a factory one here, obviously. This spring is 6 inches in diameter, and the other one here is a 3-inch diameter spring. I opted to get 250-pound spring rate and a 12-inch spring. Now you can see here with this shield that is actually, you get a little bit more clearance, about 2 to 3 inches roughly, in case you wanted to fit a wider tire on the back here. So you get some more clearance by going to the coilover versus this. And the top view there. Now this here comes fully assembled. I decided to get the fully assembled system. It's called the stage 4 or the level 4. Basically, he does all the work. He assembles everything for you, and he assembles everything, and then he just ships it out just like this. And this is exactly how it comes right here. All the hardware is included, and it's a KYB strut. And why don't I go ahead and show you what it looks like on the car. And there it is mounted on the car. Kind of hard to see any real detail because everything is black, but there it is. And we'll get a rear look here. So this will allow you to run a slightly wider tire. I think you might be able to go up to like a 265 maybe, depending on the wheel offset. Maybe even go wider than that. I think you might even be able to go up to a 300 series tire on these. You know, of course, depending on the offset. So, of course, I got the cradle back in the other day. Wasn't that difficult. So it's coming along. But this video is pretty much just about the coilovers and how they fit. And I'm very happy with the product. So if you're thinking about getting coilovers, that's one option. Calling up Guru Performance. And there, of course, there's other options out there too. And you know, his kits, if you want to assemble them yourself, they're way cheaper. But I decided to just get them fully assembled, and they do bolt on. Like, I mean, there's nothing to it. No assembly required with what I ended up getting, and it just snapped right in there, right into place. So that was it, guys. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos.